team, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lomzy. My name is Lomzy. Today's tutorial will be on this halo crown. You see how lovely this is looking? Yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to make this. If this is the first time watching my video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Now for today's tutorial, let's go walking. For this halo crown tutorial, we'll be needing things, and these are the things I have on the table here with me. I have this skewer sticks. I have it in 2 different sizes, but I'll be making out one more size from it. Then I have my cutter, I have my headband, I have a gum stick, an interfacing, this hard interfacing. Yeah, I'll be using this one, my spray glue, and an accessory that I'll be using for this, my glue gum, and of course my glue gun. Yeah, these are the things I'll be using for this statement headband. I want a symmetrical silhouette, so I will be using different lengths of this skewer stick. So I'll be cutting out a 3rd length out of this. I got these 2 in the market and I needed another length, so I will use this and cut out the 3rd length. So let me get one more stick and get the pattern I'll be using for the 3rd length. So the 3rd one should be lower like this. See, so that I have this shape that will come symmetrically. So I'm going to cut off this place here, and I'm going to be using this as the pattern I need for the other sticks I'm going to cut out. So I'll just use this and cut out more sticks that will make my 3rd measurement for the stick I need. I hope you understand what I mean. Just watch it, you will understand what I'm doing. Yeah, because I just want the spiky effect to be symmetrical. So I use my cutter and cut off this place. It's not actually strong. Is if I can cut it, you can cut it. Yeah, so this is going to be making my 3rd length for the sticks I'm using. I'll cut more so that I have enough to use. So now I have 3 lengths. This is you see the 3 lengths I have. Yes. So with this now, I can now start with my tutorial. My headband, I'm going to prepare it. You know, this headband, how it is not the way a human being's head is. It needs to be like this for it to enter a human on the scalp, right? So we are going to be mimicking this with something so that we have something we have as a headband. I don't have a mannequin for that, but I'm going to improvise. So this I got from my machine. It fell off. I didn't just take it because of this. So I am going to be placing this like this to mimic a human head. If you have a mannequin, you can as well go with that. So I'm going to be adding my sticks to the band with this on it. And then I'm going to be cutting out from this interfacing as a stabilizer, because I want the headband to bond properly with the sticks and the headband, just like I want to bond with you. I really want to bond with you and you become my team. So consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon so we can bond together with each other. Whenever I upload my new video, you'll be the first to know.
And if you're the first to watch my video, drop that in the comment section so that I know my real VMPs. Yeah, so I am going to be cutting out 1 inch for this. I mean it. Turn on your notification bell icon. You don't know, you never can tell. I might decide to do a giveaway. So I'm sure you don't want to miss that, right? Yeah. So turn on the notification icon and drop a comment whenever you watch my video. I am taking notes. Trust me. So I'll be cutting out this and I'm going to be gluing this to the headband itself. Remember to share my video out to your social media handles. If you don't know how to share a video, a YouTube video, I'll be sharing that at the end of this video, so you go ahead and share my video out. Share with pride, share with love. Yeah, so I have this out, so I'm going to be gluing this to the headband. You see how flexible this thing is on its own. It cannot hold on anything, but with the stick you will see how strong it will become when I'm done with this video. That's how I would be without you. I will not be anything without you. I'm going to be bonding with you just like this adhesive is going to bond with this stick. So turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Yeah, I am going to be gluing this to this headband to give it extra stability. So I'll be gluing this down to the headband, making sure it adheres very well, because this is the bone and the strength of this headband, because we don't want our statement headband to fall off when we're sending it to our clients. So I'm going to be making sure, taking my time to make sure this glues very well, because this is actually the main thing. So once I'm all glued up, this is how it will look. You see how it is? That's how it will look. So I will start placing my sticks. Before I do that, I will measure to know the center of the headband, so that I put my first, that's the longest length, I'll put it in the center, and now start forming the shape I want for the hollow crown. Remember I said I want it to be asymmetrical, so I'm going to be noting down the center. I'm going to be marking it to know the one that is the center, because I should have an idea where the center is, so that when I'm doing my designs I will know where to start from. So once I have it marked down, I'll start placing the other length of the sticks. So from here you go ahead and play with your designs, space it properly the way you want it to be. You decide, because it's like this, you have ample space to decide how you want your design to be. So go ahead and play around here. Once you're done with this, the next thing is to glue down this. Just make sure you glue it down to hold it properly, and once you are done adding the glue, you leave it for some while for the glue to solidify very well, to hold it in place. So mine has solidified. You can see it's solidified. So once it's like that, this is how strong it becomes. So the next thing I will do after this is to spray this. You go ahead and spray it outside. I will spray mine outside, and when I'm back I will show you the color I chose, which is gold. Yeah, this is it. You see, after spraying it, this is how it's looking. Now this is now time for me to start decorating on it. So you cut out your embellishments to match what you want to do. You place it there. See how you're placing it. Make sure your design is all set up before you now start gluing on it. So I am going to choose the designs I want and how I want it. Once it's like this, then I'll start gluing it down, because I know where I want my gum to now be, so it's easier for me to work on now. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do so below, because I upload detailed and very easy to understand sewing tutorials and DIYs. And remember to turn on your notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Now I'll be sharing with you guys how to share YouTube videos to your social media handles, so you go ahead and share with pride and share with love. You can also join my Facebook group, Sewing Tutorial by Lomzy. To copy a video you want to share, if you go down you will see share. Click on that share button and it will take you to this place. You click on the copy link. When you copy the link, you have copied the video link you want to share on any social media. Then go to your social media, like I'm going to my Facebook group where they write something. On that place, you paste the link you have copied. You see it here. Paste it here where you want to type, and the video that you have copied would be pasted here. See how simple this is? Look at the video you just copied. It has pasted there. So that's how to copy and paste a video link that you want to share on your social media handles. Go ahead and share videos. Share with love. Share with pride. Thank you for watching.